Hi guys, welcome to Beautiful Jungle. I'm Sharon. I'm not feeling that well. Past couple of days, I had like the chills, and you can hear like it's still in my voice, but I'm feeling better now. And it's so unbelievable that here comes Christmas, and I was sick for Thanksgiving, and now I'm sick again for Christmas. Anywho, I'm getting better. My ears are unclogging because it felt like it was like you snap, crackle, popping in my ear, but it's all right. So I have one of the soups that I canned from when I was sick early in the year when my allergies really started to act up. I like provisions in my soup and I like dumplings. So I thought I'd bring you guys along and I'll do some dumplings, show you how I do my dumpling. This one of these in there, Cox soup. And you know, I season it up how I like it to be seasoned up. But so this pot of soup, and this is pretty much what it was canned with: onions, celery, chicken, and carrots. And those are carrots that I grew in my backyard. How awesome. And I have a pot of ginger. I used the last of the ginger that I harvest. I put it in one of my mini food processor and chopped it up and made ginger tea. Yes. We're going to do 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add all of our dry ingredients first. Half a teaspoon of salt, and I'm using the Redmond salt. And I'm going to add sugar, and it calls for, it's 1 teaspoon of sugar, but I'm putting 2. My hands are washed. You can clearly see they are dry. I need to put some lotion on it, but this weather has your skin dried out. Has my skin dried out. Dried out. So I'm just gonna mix this in and crush up the butter. Mix the butter in with the flour and the baking powder and everything. Salt, sugar, just like you're doing pie or your pie dough and things like that. So we are a lactose family in here, lactose free. So I'm gonna put half a cup of milk in here. And we're gonna mix this up with our hands. And my soup is heating up. It's boiling actually. Yeah. So we're just rolling it between our hands, or the palm of our hands, and just dropping it inside, pinching off a little piece and rolling it between our hands. You can do your dumpling like this, or you can do it round and flatten it out like that. However you want to do it, it's your preference. And I'm not going to stir this pot. It's just your soup has to be hot to put your dumpling inside of it, okay? And you put it inside, it's going to sink to the bottom, but it's going to float back up. So it's been boiling for about 20 minutes. And it will thicken up your soup because of the flour and all of the flour, baking powder, everything inside of there. But I just want to get a bowl of soup because I've been waiting for these dumplings. Let's get this. Yes, this is our dumpling. I told you I don't really too much care for I will take the carrots and those things like that, but it's the broth and the dumpling and Not too much of the chicken, but you need the chicken for the soup. So this is it. Let me show you guys. This is the dumpling. And I got me a nice bowl of soup, a hot bowl of soup. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. And that's how the dumpling looks inside. It will thicken up your, I did mention that. Oh, it's hot. It's hot, very hot. Oh, and chewy. It's good. Oh yeah. It's good. It's good for you. It's very good for you. So, because mommy has to go back to work. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so good. Guys, thank you for coming along. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.